This is a 2-minute video to tell you how to set up the Panda warmer. We'll look at the back of the machine. First of all, you want to plug it into a wall socket. Make sure that it's switched on. You then want to make sure that you plug in the oxygen to a wall oxygen port. And you'll want to plug in medical air. Be aware there is an on-off switch at the back. It's usually left in the on position, but if you find that it's off, you must switch it on. On the front of the machine, you've got the main on switch. Switch it on, the heater will come on, light will come on, and then across this panel, you've got suction. The suction equipment is down the left-hand side of the machine. Switch on the oxygen. Once oxygen is on, it can either be delivered by this simple oxygen port here, or this one, which is connected to ventilation tubing. And this is a simple mechanical ventilator that you use, the handheld mechanical ventilator, which allows you to deliver PEEP. The PEEP valve is on the top of the mask. If you occlude and you deliver breaths, you just have to turn up the flow of oxygen here and watch this dial, and you'll see how much inspiratory pressure and PEEP you're delivering. The inspiratory pressure can be dialed down using this valve here, and PEEP can be dialed up clockwise or down counterclockwise using the green dial on the top of the mask, like so. Okay. Alternatively, in the drawer, we've got a simple bag valve mask that can be plugged in to the port on this side, and you can use this dial to deliver oxygen using the bag valve mask and ventilate that way. In the center is a dial that allows you to mix oxygen and air, and we usually start off with ventilating at 100% oxygen, and then as things progress and the SATs are achieved, you can dial the oxygen back to the amount that you'd want. And the only other two features I wanted to show you on the machine are there are pedals so that you can move the machine up or down so that it's at a nice working height, and the sides can be lowered by pulling them up and down so that you can get better access to the baby. Last thing, there is a little handle to grip here if you want to tilt the whole tray. And that's the Panda.